I want to tell you a quick story about Sage accounting software. So, in today's conversation, I want to give you an in-depth review so you understand everything you need to understand before you actually buy or, not consider buying this software tool. So, here's an overview I want you to pay attention to. So, when you think about Sage accounting, I want you to think about a software program that allows you, if you're a small business owner, to track your income and expenses in multiple currencies. This is really cool. You are also able to track inventory and manage invoices through Sage Accounting. And the accounting software is suitable for micro businesses and freelancers seeking a platform for keeping their accounts organized. So I want you to really think about that. Micro businesses and freelancers. So if you are, let's say, a large business, or you are a mid-sized business, or even a small business by certain standards, you're not going to find Sage Accounting very interesting. So Sage Accounting in this category is kind of similar to QuickBooks Self-Employed, or let's say FreshBooks, or even Zoho Books, or even Wave for that matter. Here are the pros and cons of Sage Accounting. You have affordable. First, let's talk about the pros. You have affordable monthly cost, full-featured mobile app, multi-currency support, and you have seamless integration with third-party apps. What about the cons? There's no time tracking feature. You have limited report customization, and you have a dated interface. This is something that really Sage has to work on. The interface is really old, really big time old. But with Sage Accounting, you have a constellation of features. For example, you have invoicing, you have inventory management, not a problem. You have business reporting, you have automatic bank reconciliation. So overall, we love Sage Accounting. The only problem is just the interface. I mean, they have to work on that. Okay, please work on that. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a fantastic opportunity to have you here and to have a quick convo with you about the Sage Accounting. Now, one thing I want to say here is that when you actually when you get Sage Accounting, you will gain full control of bookkeeping and invoicing processes, and you are able to monitor your cash flow, and you're able to get also paid faster in a single platform. And no need to have a PhD in accounting, no need to have a bookkeeper, no need to have an accountant. You can do things yourself. But again, I just want to insist on the fact that Sage Accounting is better for micro businesses, not small businesses, micro businesses, and also solopreneurs, single member LLC, single member S corporations, and so on and so forth. Let's talk about the pricing here. Let's talk about the pricing for Sage Accounting. One thing you need to understand here is that if you want to have more information about Sage Accounting and in terms of pricing, you need to contact sales. What we love here is that Sage Accounting, they actually operate 2 monthly subscription plans, so you're able to cancel anytime. We love the flexibility there. They're not actually forcing you into a monthly contract or annual contract, or someone trying to play games with you, trying to razzle dazzle you. No, they're very transparent, and it's pay as you go. And the thing is, you can cancel anytime. You can also upgrade your account and enjoy the 30-day free trial. So they do offer a 30-day free trial, so you can actually avail yourself of, which we do advise you to avail yourself of if you're really seriously considering Sage Accounting. And what I want to say here is that when you think about Sage Accounting, there are two programs. There are 2 plans, 2 pricing plans. You have the Start Accounting. You have the Sage Accounting Start, and then you have the Sage Accounting. So Sage Accounting Start and Sage Accounting. So if you go with the Sage Accounting Start, here you need to be a single user. So this plan supports a single user and costs $10 per month, at least as of the date of this show. And it includes features such as invoice creation and tracking. So this is kind of cool if you really need that. Let's say if you are a contractor, for example, you will love invoice creation and tracking. You have automatic bank reconciliation. You also have the feature of online card payments, and you have financial reporting, which you can access via web and mobile app. Now, in terms of financial reporting, you don't have a financial reporting as robust, as let's say, as granular as something you will get on, let's say, QuickBooks Online or Zoho Books. So the financial reporting feature you have with Sage Accounting is decent, but not as, I would say, comprehensive. Okay. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. I am giving you an in-depth Sage Accounting review here, okay? And so I just spoke to you about the Sage Accounting Start pricing plan. Let's talk about the Sage Accounting pricing plan, just Sage Accounting. With this plan supports multiple users and costs about $25 per month, but you'll get 70% off your first 6 months. So it costs about $7.50 per month. And this plan offers all features of accounting start, as well as bill tracking, inventory management, code creation, cash flow forecast, and invoice management. You can also snap and post receipts for free during your first 3 months. Let's talk about the features that we love with Sage Accounting. I mean, Sage Accounting is kind of cool when it comes to features, and I want to go through a few of them. Okay, so you have invoice management, you have bill payments, you have invoice tracking, you have business reporting. So let's talk about that. So let's first talk about invoice management. So the cool thing about Sage Accounting here is that you actually have flexibility. You have a lot of latitude when it comes to your invoicing. You can create invoices, you can send them to customers, you can track payments. You have a lot of capabilities that revolve around invoice management within Sage. And so we love the operational efficiency that Sage actually brings to your business in that front. So this accounting software integrates with Stripe. So this is kind of cool because then you are able to choose your preferred payment methods. So Stripe is kind of similar to Square when it comes to payment methods. It's kind of similar to Square and PayPal. And so you're able to sync your Stripe payments to your bank account, and you're able to accept credit card payments from anywhere and keep your financial records in one place. So this is kind of cool. And when we talk about centrality of financial reporting, this is really fantastic. And you can actually see sent invoices and pending payments, including the ones that are overdue. And Sage Accounting enables you to view selected invoicing periods and automate payment notices so that you can get paid quicker and gain insight into cost and profit margins. Also, there are editable invoice templates available for you. So this is kind of cool. So that's for invoice management. What about bill payments? Well, Sage Accounting has accounts receivable and accounts payable functions showing you how much you owe suppliers and how much customers owe you. And the automated AR, let's say accounts receivable software, creates and sends invoices and tracks payments to keep your cash flow organized. So cash inflow, cash outflow, everything is organized. And you also get auto-generated reports of which customers owe you, how much they owe, how long they have owed you, and the due dates for sales invoices. So this is the kind of, I think, depth and breadth of analysis I want you to think about when you consider Sage Accounting. And so this accounting software has an automated accounts payable feature that keeps you abreast of what you owe, whom you owe, and when your payments are due. And you can manage the credit terms and limits of each supplier and organize pending payments so you don't miss anything. Let's talk about two other features and capabilities that we love a lot with Sage Accounting. So you have inventory tracking and you have business reporting. Now, inventory tracking, you will love this feature if let's say if you're in retail, even if you're doing some kind of online business and you deal with inventory, this is kind of cool. This inventory is really not just for parts, it's also for goods that you buy for resale though, okay? And Sage Accounting does offer an inventory tracking feature to give you a real-time view of your stock levels. Now, it's not going to be as deep and broad as inflow inventory, let's say a specific inventory sort of software, right? But it is still good. So you're able to upload your products and organize them into categories, which is great for faster inventory management, especially if you're a product-based business. You will track quantities of products. You can set minimum reorder levels and receive out-of-stock notifications so that you know which of your products sell best and what you need to restock. Okay, so this is really one thing you need to think about. And I would also want you to think about business reporting. So Sage Accounting gets all financial reports, including cash flow statements, balance sheet data, profit analysis, sales tax reports, and 1099 vendor reports, which is really great for, this is great for you in real time. And what we love here is that, the insight into past and current trends in your business performance will help you make better business decisions necessary to grow your business. So this is kind of important to really think about that, okay? And you can share reports with your team or interested investors and use them for taxation purposes. Also, the accounting software allows businesses to categorize reports and export them into comma-separated values like CSV, and also PDF files and Excel spreadsheets without tampering with the original document format. So this is kind of cool in terms of regulatory compliance, but also financial reporting capabilities. Okay, so in terms of business reporting, you do have the full breadth and depth of reports that are available with Sage Accounting. The only thing is you need to actually get on the higher tiered, like in terms of pricing, you need to get the higher tiered plan, not the Sage Accounting Start, but the Sage Accounting plan. That's where really the juice is at. That's where you get all the capabilities, all the modules that really can help you. That's where you get inventory tracking. Also, you don't get inventory tracking with the Sage Accounting Start. No, you only get it with the Sage Accounting plan, and that's the same thing for business reporting as well. Let's talk about other benefits. So when we talk about Sage Accounting, you do have other benefits that are worth mentioning that we think are really important. There are additional perks that you need to think about. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about Sage Accounting software. This is an in-depth review. I'm really going granular here to sort of give you the pros and cons of this tool so you have a better idea of what to really do in terms of Sage Accounting if you were to get this tool, okay? And what we love about Sage Accounting is that you have multi-currency support, which you don't have a lot of software tools provide. So this is kind of cool. So Sage Accounting makes it a lot easier to grow your business online or even internationally, especially if you cater to business abroad. Its multi-currency feature allows you to create, let's say, invoices, and you can manage payments between banks and multiple currencies in one system. Think about it, one system. So you're dealing with euros, you're dealing with Canadian dollars, you're dealing with Brazilian reals, you're dealing with pesos, you're dealing with euro, UK pounds, you're dealing with Australian dollars, you're dealing with Chinese renminbis. So you're dealing with a lot of currencies on the one platform. You'll get a view of all transactions in the countries you're trading, stay in tune with how currency exchange affects your cash flow, know accurate exchange rates to help you adjust your rates, and reconcile all foreign currency transactions. We also love the fact that with Sage Accounting, you have bank connection. So you can set your Sage account to connect with your bank feeds, and the software will match data on your bank account to your invoices and payments, thereby reconciling your transactions to save your time and improve your data accuracy. And Sage Accounting allows automation with hundreds of banks, including American Express, Citibank, and Bank of America, to give you real-time balances. So this is kind of cool. You also have a mobile app. So every subscription to Sage Accounting comes with a free mobile app available on iOS and Android to help you control your accounts on the go. And you can create and share invoices. You can track payments. You can track inventory. You can follow up with customers, and you can record all expenses to keep your accounts balanced while you move. So this is kind of cool. We also love the fact that with Sage Accounting, you have a software integration. So this is kind of cool because you are able to have seamless integration with third-party apps, which is really great because it will help you smooth out business operations. It doesn't matter whether you're a small business, a micro business, or let's say a mid-sized business who want to consider Sage Accounting, even though I said Sage Accounting is better for micro businesses, solopreneurs, and to a certain extent, small businesses, but not large businesses or medium-sized businesses. And also, what we love here is that you can integrate with applications such as Gusto for payroll processing, Corona for point of sale processes, and Zapier for expanded integrations. What about the alternatives here? So when we talk about Sage Accounting, of course, it's really important to know how Sage Accounting stacks up, because they're not the only player. So to this conversation, I want to quickly compare and contrast Sage Accounting to FreshBooks, to Wave Accounting also. So when you think about the starting monthly price, Sage Accounting is around $10, FreshBooks is around $15, and Wave is totally free. Wave totally free. You have Wave invoicing and Wave accounting totally free. Wave only charges you if you want to use their payments service or you want to use them for payroll. And what about mobile app? They all those three apps, all those three software providers, they do have apps. Okay, so Sage Accounting not a problem, FreshBooks not a problem, Wave Accounting not a problem. What about time tracking? Only FreshBooks allows you to track times. So if this is a feature important to you, then you want to think twice, because Sage Accounting does not have time tracking capabilities. So let's say you are in an industry where you think about, let's say you are a CPA, or you are a contractor and you build clients, or you are an architecture consultant, right? And you need to build clients and you need to track time, then Sage Accounting is not the right tool for you. It's better to go with FreshBooks because even Wave Accounting doesn't have the time tracking capability. And what about multi-currency support? Well, Sage Accounting and FreshBooks are the only two that offer multi-currency support. I mean, in today's comparative analysis, because Wave Accounting does not offer multi-currency support. Okay, so this is really important to understand. So when we compare Sage Accounting to FreshBooks and Wave Accounting, Sage Accounting software offers it's a basic plan for as low as $10 without a discount. Okay, FreshBooks leads with its time tracking feature, which the other two lack. So this is something you need to really pay attention to if, again, as I said, you really care about that. So alongside Sage Accounting, FreshBooks support multiple currencies, which is really absent in Wave Accounting. So this is something you need to think about. But overall, it all depends on the kind of configuration you need. It depends on the kind of legal structure you have. It depends on the kind of, I would say, the kind of business you have as well. So here's our verdict. Big question here. $1 million question. Is Sage Accounting right for you or your business? In other words, should you go or no go with Sage Accounting? Well, right off the bat, I want to say our recommendation is yes, go with Sage Accounting, but I want to qualify that statement. So Sage Accounting is great for, let's say, your business. If you need basic accounting features, I want to insist on that. Basic accounting features. I'm talking about invoicing. I'm talking about bill tracking. And if you need this at a very affordable price, then go with Sage Accounting. Also, if your customers are from, let's say, various countries, you will love Sage Accounting's multi-currency support. However, if you have complex invoicing needs, such as tracking billable hours, you really want to check out other software tools. For example, FreshBooks, because Sage Accounting is not going to give you the depth and breadth that you need to sort of track your billable hours. So this is what it is. But overall, Sage Accounting is a big plus. Can be a big plus in your accounting arsenal if you really need them. And one thing I want to say here is that you can actually access Sage Accounting via desktop or mobile, or even tablets or phablets. Really fantastic. And you can customize invoices on Sage Accounting software. Not a problem at all. You can add document headings, business logos, contact details and pricing, discounts, preferred payment methods, and even terms and conditions to your invoices. Not a problem. And Sage Accounting does allow data import. So you can import data such as customer and supplier details, opening balances, bank statements, charts, and invoices into the software from Excel or another data system. And the support team is available to show you how to do this. And you can actually watch any of Sage Accounting's video guides. Now, they do have great video guides though. And so overall, this is a great tool. This is a great software tool. It is secure, not a problem at all. They actually have, the tool does feature standard security features like you have security settings such as data encryption, secure credential tokenization, and more. So while human error will always play some role in security breaches, you can be confident in your accounting platform when it comes to keeping your information safe, okay? And Sage Accounting has been around for a while now, so they do know what they're doing. And they overall, in terms of customer reviews and customer support overall, they have received rave reviews for the products over the years. So this is our recommendation is a go. Definitely, this is a great tool, but just make sure that it fits the kind of operational goals you have. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was just quickly talking to you about Sage Accounting. I'll give you the overview, the pricing, the features, the extras, the alternatives, and the verdicts. Thank you. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.